Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT. Your card has been declined. So for that, first thing is open the Google Chrome and then click open new tab. There you open the ChatGPT, that is chat.openai.com, press enter and then get logged in into the account. Click on login, provide your account credential, type in the password. Now once you are logged in, you click on +I. And there's two plans, free plan and ChatGPT Plus, that is $20 monthly. As soon as the ChatGPT Plus was rolled out for the users, people started to get the subscription, that is $20 per month. And the payment can usually be done via credit card or debit card. But right now, the users trying to get access to ChatGPT Plus are not being able to subscribe as their debit or credit card are getting declined. So there can be various reasons behind it. The first reason for your debit or credit card being declined for ChatGPT can be that you are trying to get access from a place where the service is not available. The ChatGPT service is currently available only in few countries, so this might be the reason. If your country or area is not listed in the list of service provided areas, then you might have to wait till the company rolls out ChatGPT in your country. But then if it's available in your region, make sure that during the process of making the payment, your VPN is turned off. When this happens to you, the first thing you want to do is try accessing the ChatGPT through another browser. For instance, I'm currently using the ChatGPT in Google Chrome, so you can try this process in Mozilla Firefox or Opera. But if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is you can connect the OpenAI support. For that, go to ChatGPT, then click on the dotted lines on your Gmail, and then click on Help and FAQ. Now, once you're at the help page, on the search bar, you can type in card decline, press enter, which will provide the articles that is necessary for you. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.